In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tabs in Google Chrome. If your tab bar is overflowing and you're jumping between tasks, this will help you stay focused and find what you need faster. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you've got a few tabs open so you can see the difference as we organize them. Chrome includes a built-in feature called tab groups that lets you keep related tabs together under a labeled, colored badge. It's perfect for separating work, research, travel planning, or anything else that tends to sprawl across your tab strip. To begin, pick a tab you want in your first group and right-click it. On a Mac, Control-click does the same thing, and on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. From the menu that appears, click Add Tab to New Group. Chrome will create a small group label next to that tab and open a little panel so you can customize it. Give the group a clear, short name that tells you exactly what lives inside, like work, invoices, or reading. The goal is quick recognition at a glance, so avoid long phrases that get truncated. Next, choose a color for the group. Color coding helps your eye separate areas of the tab strip. For example, blue for work, green for personal, or red for urgent tasks. Pick colors with good contrast against your theme so the label is easy to spot. Now add the rest of your related tabs. The quickest way is to drag a tab toward the colored label until you see it join the group, then release. Repeat for each tab you want to include. If you prefer, you can also right-click a tab and add it to the existing group from the menu. You can reorder tabs inside the group by dragging them, and you can move the whole group together by dragging the group's label along the tab bar. This makes rearranging your workspace much faster than shuffling tabs one by one. When space gets tight, collapse the group by clicking its name. Your tabs roll up under the label, freeing a lot of room while keeping everything just one click away. Click the label again to expand it back. If you ever need to tweak the name or color, just click the group label to open its panel and make your changes. That's it. You've opened Chrome, created a group, named and colored it, added tabs, and learned how to collapse it to save space. With a few thoughtful names and colors, your tab bar will feel calmer and much easier to manage.